In this video, I will show how to change the membership of a site in SharePoint Online from the Admin Center portal. Membership means owners, members, site admins, site owners, site members, and site visitors. Here I will show how to add a new user to these groups one by one and remove them. For this demo, I will pick my demo site. Select your site, then click on the Membership menu. First, I will add a new site admin, then remove it. Then, you will see the membership screen. I am selecting a new site admin. It is being added now. Now, press F5 to refresh this page. The page is being reloaded. Again, select the same site and click on the Membership menu. The membership configuration page is being opened. Now, we can see the new site admin added to the site admins group. Even, you can make this new site admin as a primary site admin. Now, we can see that the newly created admin is showing as a primary site admin. Now, I will show how to remove the site admins. Select the site admins one by one that you want to remove. Then, click on the Remove as Site Admin link. Now an alert message appears to get your confirmation before removing. Move button. Yes, 2 site admins have been deleted now. Next, for the rest of the membership objects like owners, members, site members, and site visitors. Follow the same process as site admins to add a new member to the group and remove it from the group. Now, continue watching this demo till the end with a cup of coffee. Hope you enjoyed watching this demo. Thanks for being with me in this demo. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe to my channel.